Attracting a woman's heart is not just an art, it's a game of charm, wit, and intelligence. Beyond the usual advice we see out there, what are the little-known shortcuts that we can use to make a woman lose her breath? Discover now the 13 psychological tricks to make a woman fall for you quickly. 1. Create an unforgettable experience. Instead of doing something boring and unemotional during your date, choose a unique experience that will make her heart race. A study by McKendree University in the US showed that there is a significant correlation between adrenaline and attraction. 2. Open your heart. Don't hide your vulnerabilities, doubts, and uncertainties. Letting her see beyond your armor won't make you less desirable. On the contrary, it will make you more interesting. 3. Converse casually. If you've just met her, don't be too eager. In seduction, patience is key. Making her wonder about your real intentions will make her work harder to get your attention. 4. Show your skills. Women love skilled men. Whether you play a musical instrument, can cook, know about wine, are good at sports, can draw, or dance, anything counts. Think of a program that allows your talent to be revealed. 5. Provoke, challenge. Disagree with her on small and insignificant things. But under no circumstances should you get into conflicts over beliefs or convictions. Teasing in a fun way is a powerful weapon to awaken attraction. This will show that you are not completely dominated and capable of standing your ground. 6. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting a woman. If you're not confident, it will be difficult for her to trust you and feel safe in your presence. 7. Use your sense of humor. A sense of humor is a great way to make a woman feel comfortable and to create a connection. 8. Listen attentively. Listening attentively is a great way to show that you are interested in what she has to say. It also makes her feel valued and heard. 9. Be a gentleman. Being a gentleman means showing respect, kindness, and consideration towards her. 10. Be a mystery. Being a mystery is a great way to keep her interested. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Leave some things to be discovered later on. 11. Women find shy men charming. However, this doesn't mean you should appear uncomfortable in every social interaction. You need to be in control of the situation and express yourself confidently. The trick is to show your shyness only in certain moments. For example, when someone compliments you and you're modest. Or, when a girl hits on you at a party and you're reacting. 12. Make her miss you. We don't like those who are too available all the time. The feeling of loss is a powerful psychological trigger. If you spend too much time with a woman, she runs the risk of quickly getting tired of you. On the other hand, by spending time away from her, she will realize how pleasant your company is. 13. Set limits. When a woman notices that you're a nice guy, always present, and willing to help, some may try to take advantage of your goodwill. Don't allow this to happen. Otherwise, you run the risk of becoming her doormat next week. No woman is attracted to the guy who's too nice and does everything she wants. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more. See you on the next video. Bye bye.